Hello everyone and welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we are going to create this elegant looking 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. First, let's remove this text effect and let's start from scratch. We need a 200 point size for this text effect, and we'll use this Melonia font for this text effect. Let's center this, and next click on this none to remove the fill color, and then we'll go to appearance panel. Here click on this add new fill icon and let's change the color. Next click OK and let's duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and let's change the colors. Then click OK. Next we'll go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and we'll make changes in this move section. We need -2 pixel for horizontal and 2 pixel for vertical. Then click OK. Next duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and let's change the color. Then click OK. Next click on this arrow and then go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Click on Apply New Effect, and this time we'll make changes in scale section. Let's apply 99.9% for horizontal, 99.9% for vertical, and then we'll make changes in move section. 0 pixel for horizontal and 0.5 pixel for vertical, and we need 20 copies this time. Then click OK. Next let's close this and then duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and let's change the color first. Then click OK. Click on this arrow and then click on this transform effect and let's remove this. Now click on this transform, and here we'll make changes in scale section first. Let's change this horizontal value to 97% and we'll keep 100% for vertical. In move section we need 2 pixel for horizontal, 12 pixel for vertical. Then click OK. Next we'll apply Gaussian blur to this layer. Let's go to Effect, Blur and Gaussian blur. Let's apply a 2 pixel Gaussian blur. Then click OK. Next click on opacity. Change opacity to 40% and let's change the blend mode to multiply. Click on this arrow and close this layer. Next select this layer, duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and drag this layer to bottom. Now select this last layer and let's change the color. Then click OK. Next click on this arrow. Let's remove these transform effects. Now click on this layer and let's apply an offset path to this layer. We'll go to Effect, Path and Offset Path, and we need a 7 pixel offset path. Let's change the joints to round, then click OK. Next, we'll apply a transform effect to this layer. Let's go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform, and first we'll make changes in scale section. We need 98% for horizontal, we need 100% for vertical. Next we'll make changes in this move section. We need -2 pixel for horizontal and 10 pixel for vertical. Then click OK. Next we'll apply inner glow to this layer. Let's go to Effect, Stylize, Inner Glow. We need 75% opacity and 5 pixel blur. Then click OK. Next, duplicate this layer. Now select this layer and let's change the color. Then click OK. Now click on this arrow and let's remove the inner glow effect from this layer. Next, we'll apply one more transform effect to this layer. Let's go to Effect, Distort and Transform, then click on Apply New Effect. Here we'll make changes in scale section. We'll apply 99.8% for horizontal and we'll keep the vertical to 100%. Next we'll make changes in move section. We need 0 pixel for horizontal, 0.5 pixel for vertical, and we need 20 copies. Then click OK. Next, duplicate this last layer. Now select this layer and let's change the color. Then click OK. Now let's make changes. Let's remove this last transform effect and let's make changes in this transform effect. Click on transform and we need 92% for horizontal in scale section. We need 100% for vertical. Next we need to make changes in move section. Keep the horizontal value to -2 pixel and we need 25 pixel for vertical. Then click OK. Next we need to apply a Gaussian blur to this layer. Let's go to Effect, Blur and Gaussian blur. Let's apply a 6 pixel Gaussian blur. Then click OK. Let's make changes in this text using Gelf. Let's go to Type, click on Gelfs, and I have selected the alternate for current selections. I have selected the void and let's make changes. So here is our final text effect look. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.